This is why you can't focus. Look at your table. If your phone is sitting there like a shiny little goblin,
Pick it up.
now put it somewhere far away. If you can still hear it in your mind, move it again. Phones kill focus even when they're just sitting there pretending to be innocent. Here's the thing. Every time you jump between apps, tabs, or random thoughts, your brain pays a switching cost. Small fee, big damage. Do it 100 times and your attention is cooked. And your dopamine? Yeah, that's fried too. Your brain got used to tiny instant hits, so anything that doesn't explode with stimulation feels boring. So let's fix it properly. 1. Anti-dopamine. Start first 20 minutes, slow activities only. Stretch, make your bed, drink water. That's it. This brings your brain back to normal speed. 2. Environmental friction. Don't rely on willpower. Make distractions annoying to reach. One extra step instantly saves focus. 3. Micro constraints. Give yourself fewer options. One pen, one notebook, one tab. Your brain works better when it doesn't have to choose between 20 things. 4. Task cues. Pick a simple ritual that signals we're working now. Same seat, same small movement. Your brain locks into the pattern fast. 5. The 5-minute start. Tell yourself, I'm doing 5 minutes, that's it. Once you start, your brain naturally keeps going. 6. Attention warm-up. Before tackling the full task, do a tiny version. 1 paragraph, 1 sentence. Warm up your focus like you'd warm up your muscles. 7. Minimal resistance planning. Make your next step obvious. Open the doc, press record, no overthinking. 8. Mental load dump. Write down everything floating in your head. Your brain can't focus while it's carrying a checklist. What this really means is simple. Your attention isn't broken. It's just overstimulated. Once you control what gets in, your focus comes back fast.